In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert video into Google Sheets. This process is slightly unconventional since Google Sheets doesn't natively support video embedding like some other applications. However, I'll guide you through an effective workaround that should achieve your goal. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to start by opening Google Slides. Google Slides will serve as a go-between for inserting the video into your Google Sheet. If you haven't used Google Slides before, simply go to your Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Slides. Once you have a new Google Slides presentation open, the next step is to move to the top menu bar and click on Insert. After selecting Insert, you'll see a variety of options. From here, choose Video. Clicking Video will bring up a new window where you can search for a video clip you want to add. You can search videos directly from YouTube or use a video URL you may have. Once you find your desired video, click on the clip to highlight it. After selecting the video, an Insert button should appear in the bottom right corner of the window. Click on Insert to add the video to your slide. The video is now embedded in your slide, but we're not done just yet. To transfer this video to a Google Sheet, you'll need to copy it from Slides. Start by right-clicking on the video clip directly within Google Slides. A menu will pop up, locate and click on Copy from the menu options. Next, switch over to Google Sheets. If you haven't already opened a Google Sheet, return to Google Drive, click New, and select Google Sheets. Now that you're in Sheets, proceed to the menu bar and again click on Insert. This time, instead of adding a video directly, since Sheets doesn't allow that, we'll use the Drawing feature. So click on Drawing, which will bring up a new window. In this drawing window, simply paste the copied video clip. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, CMD+V on Mac. You'll then see the video clip attached in the drawing pane. With the video now in place, click on Save and Close to add it into the actual Google Sheet. You should now see the video drawing in your sheet. To watch the video, double-click on the video clip within the sheet, and it will open up. Finally, hit Play to watch your video. And there you have it. Though this method uses a bit of a workaround, it successfully inserts a playable video into your Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to incorporate video content into your spreadsheets efficiently. If you encountered any issues or have feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.